this is a quick unboxing of the Rapid Bike Easy from my S1000R. So here's the unit, comes with on top. There's two trimmers. And it looks like it's already preset maybe. So it's set to 2 on the left setting and then +3 on the right, or the fuel ratio. Let's see what else we got. So it looks like we got some installation instructions. It's for BMW. Looks like the rest of the harness to connect to the O2 sensors, the lambda sensors. Some Velcro, sticker, and the back case or cover to the actual Easy portion of the bike. Just plugs into the O2 sensors. Let's take a quick look at the instructions. So locate and disconnect 4-pin black connectors to the two O2 sensors, one on the right side, one on the left side. Connect the Rapid Bike in line with the stock sensors. Then it looks like you connect the rest of the engine harness to the actual Easy. And it has a bunch of information for different bikes. Important things here are when you actually turn it on, it should be, LED should be just on for a little bit until the O2 sensor is hot. So once the O2 sensor is warmed up, the device is working, the LED will be flashing. For my bike, it says trimmer 1 and trimmer 2. For BMW S1000R, it's going to be 2 and then +3. So it looks like that's what it was already set to, 2 and +3, and it has arrows to give you the indication of what exactly it's set to. So yeah, we're gonna go out to the garage and see if we can get this installed. Shows a few other bikes as well. So if you have one of those bikes, these are the settings that you could, or that you should set it to. So let's turn on the engine and wait some minutes until the green LED starts to flash, and then fasten the cover with screws. Seems like that's it for the install. So yeah, we'll give it a shot.